Hello, I'm Crypto Diamond, and today's video is on TurkeyDAO, a crypto project that aims at supporting Turkey in its time of need. This project is going to be helping people in Turkey that are homeless from the fallout of the earthquakes that have just happened this past February and the aftershocks that have happened at the end of February and some of March as well. And for those of you who really don't know what's going on in Turkey, there was widespread damage in the area of about 350 kilometers or 140,000 square miles, roughly about the size of Germany. An estimated 14 million people, or 16% of Turkey's population, were affected. Development experts from the United Nations estimate that about 1.5 million people were left homeless. As of March 20th, 2023, more than 57,300 deaths were confirmed, more than 50,000 in Turkey, and more than 7,200 in Syria. It is the deadliest earthquake in what is present-day Turkey, making it the deadliest natural disaster in its modern-day history. It is also the deadliest in what is the present-day Syria since the 1822 Aleppo earthquake, the deadliest worldwide since the 2010 Haiti earthquake, and the fifth deadliest of the 21st century. Damage were estimated to be at US $104 billion in Turkey and US $5.1 billion in Syria, making them the fourth costliest earthquakes on record. Damaged roads, winter storms, and disruption communications have hampered the disaster and emergency management, presidency's rescue and relief effort, which include a 60,000 strong search and rescue force, 5,000 health workers, 30,000 volunteers following Turkey's call for international help. More than 141,000 people from 94 countries joined the rescue effort, and hopefully we can help join too. At least 230,000 buildings were damaged or destroyed across the 11 provinces in Turkey, and at least 10,600 buildings have been completely or partially destroyed in northwest Syria. In Aleppo alone, around 3,500 buildings are damaged and need structural repair, and 700 buildings are classified as unsafe. According to the World Bank's Global Rapid Post-Disaster Damage Estimation Report, direct damages in Turkey from the earthquakes are estimated at $34.2 billion. The report says the reconstruction costs will be higher depending on the extent of new construction codes and guidelines being used, and hopefully they do change the codes and up them a little bit, but there's really not much you could do with an earthquake of that magnitude. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization said Tuesday that earthquakes caused $6.7 billion in losses and damage just to the crops, livestock, and production of food, and agricultural infrastructure and assets. In the wake of a devastating earthquake that struck Turkey and Syria, Waves is proud to announce the creation of TurkeyDAO, a non-profit DAO dedicated to rebuilding schools and supporting emergency relief efforts. With over 8,000 schools affected by the earthquakes and over 70 schools completely destroyed, the need for support has never been greater. TurkeyDAO aims to raise $1.2 million to build a new school in Istanbul and provide critical resources to those affected by the earthquakes. So why did they start TurkeyDAO? Well, in times of crisis, any help the government can get to rebuild is important and necessary. With so many schools destroyed or damaged, children go without critical schooling. According to recent reports, over 21% of students and 90% of teachers are located in the affected areas. In total, over 20,000 educational buildings were examined, with 72 schools completely destroyed, 504 heavily damaged, and 2,000 schools moderately damaged. So that's a lot of damage just from this earthquake alone. Furthermore, 17 universities were impacted, with 9 buildings destroyed and 111 heavily damaged. The total cost of repairs is estimated at around 39.69 billion damage just in the schools, or approximately 2 billion euro. TurkeyDAO aims to help rebuild schools and provide critical resources to those affected by this earthquake. And here is what TurkeyDAO will do with the funds you're going to be giving them. In March of 2023, TurkeyDAO entered a partnership agreement with the Istanbul Philharmonic Society, I hope I said that right, guys, I want to butcher that, to accept donations, document the use of the funds, and provide receipts for covering the cost of building the school. TurkeyDAO will be based on Power Protocol. The DAO will be based on the Power Protocol. This gives some unique advantages to get us involved as a governor and donor. Power Protocol enables funds escrow until the goals are reached, so it reduces the risk of funds not going to what is promised. Once the funds are raised, they will go to the use. The way the funds are used is governed by the community. Just so you guys know, so the community does govern the assets that are being donated here, and bad actors are punished by losing their power tokens and thereby tarnishing their reputation. This again reduces the risk that funds are misused. The DAO setup will go in 2 stages: March of 2023 through July of of 2023 is the initiation period. TurkeyDAO will propose to join PowerDAO with the goal of reaching $1.2 million in donations by July of 2023. Through August 2023 and September 2024, there is an action period. All donations will be held in escrow until July of 2023, where if the goal is met, they will be released to the governors. If the goal is not met, funds will be repaid to the donors. If the fundraising goal is not reached within the time period, all donations will be repaid. This removes the risk from your donation, as it will only be used if the DAO can gather enough funds to actually complete its mission of building a school. And just so we can take a look here, we're going to pull up the TurkeyDAO page for you guys as well. And here you go, TurkeyDAO.tech. Help support Turkey. Waves funded TurkeyDAO in response to the ongoing humanitarian crisis caused by the earthquake in Turkey and Syria. Help raise $1 million to help rebuild the schools in Turkey. And you can click right here to donate. I already have my Keeper wallet open, and you can donate with Waves. And if you don't know how to buy Waves, you can literally come right over here to Waves.tech, the homepage of Waves themselves, and just click on Get Waves. It'll tell you how much Waves cost and where you can come down here to actually go and buy Waves as well to get started. And I would highly suggest using the Keeper wallet, because Keeper just seems to work best with Waves protocol, anything running off Waves as well. And it's an all-star team, and we're going to scroll down a little bit here, and here's some people that are involved with the TurkeyDAO project as well as Waves, Wallet, PowerDAO, Neutrino, and WX Network. And if you click on them, they'll take you to their respective pages so you can check out what each one is about as well. So where do the donations go? Emergency response donations go directly to paying for necessary supplies for survivors and rescue workers. Rebuild. The donations will go to funding the development of a new school in Istanbul, Turkey. March 2023, TurkeyDAO has reached a partnership agreement with Istanbul Philharmonic Society, and there's the law if you guys want to get into that, Public Benefit Association, who will act as a local partner to accept donations, document the use of funds, and provide receipts for covering the cost of school building. Act as a local non-government public benefit association in partnership with Waves Labs, signed and publicly announced partnership agreement. Organize official meetings with the local governor's office in affected cities, and it does have a breakdown of the roadmap, and here we are right now in March of 2023, and they do have it planned out all the way to September of 2024 when school goes back into session and they're finally built for the kids to finally start learning. If you want to see the live response feed, they do have it on Twitter. You just go ahead and click on follow Twitter. It'll take you right to their page. I'm not actually logged into Twitter on this computer, but they do post live what's going on and any donations that are received within this Twitter account. So this is what you're going to want to join if you do want to jump on board and help out those people in need. I'm not saying everybody has that right now, but if you do, it'll definitely be used for somebody that needs it. And that's pretty much all I have for TurkeyDAO, a project that's going above and beyond what crypto is, and it's the true message of crypto, helping those in need and those who just cannot access finances. And this is one of the true meanings to crypto for me. I love seeing this. I love seeing what TurkeyDAO is doing. And just in commemoration for this video, any ad revenue I will be making off this video, I'll donate a portion of it towards the TurkeyDAO myself. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on the Crypto Diamond Discord, Crypto Diamond Telegram, or the Crypto Diamond Twitter. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. All right, bye guys.